Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare Garmin Fenix 8 and Garmin Enduro 3. The Garmin Fenix 8 and Garmin Enduro 3 are both premium GPS smartwatches designed for outdoor enthusiasts, but they cater to slightly different needs. The Garmin Fenix 8 is a versatile smartwatch known for its advanced features, including multiple sport modes, robust health tracking, and enhanced navigation capabilities. It typically offers a bright display, excellent battery life, and features like a heart rate monitoring and sleeping tracking. The Fenix 8 is well suited for a wide range of outdoor activities, making it a great choice for hikers, runners, and multi-sport athletes. On the other hand, the Garmin Enduro 3 is specifically designed for ultra-endurance athletes. It features an ultra-longer battery life that can last for days, even with GPS usage, making it ideal for long-distance events and extended outdoor adventures. The Enduro 3 focuses on lightweight design and includes features like a solar charging to extend battery life further. It also has advanced training metrics, making it great for serious athletes who need detailed performance data. If you want a versatile smartwatch with a broad range of features, the Garmin Fenix is an excellent choice. If you need a watch specifically designed for ultra-endurance with exceptional battery life, the Garmin Enduro 3 is a better option. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.